Oh my God.
Look at that butte right there.
Did you think it was gonna be in the garage? I wanted to give you guys a quick update on Prana and on Mimi. Fixed the electrical issue. The chassis harness was not fried. It did pop like 6 fuses. Found the fuses. It was like 6 along here on the left. Replaced them. She starts, she runs. However, we do have that axle issue. I tried to launch her from a dig, snap the axle. It was on the Prius side of the axle, but I was genuinely surprised to snap an axle with how skinny these stock tires are. So I'm gonna be working out a solution for some beefier axles, and we'll get her back up and running. We got Mimi over here. She's collecting a little bit of dust, but that's just because we're trying to get Phoenix off of the lift so we can put Mimi on the lift. We have a full rotating assembly from Texas Speed that I am super excited to install and get her back and running. But I gotta go buy a car. I have to buy a car. In case you haven't realized, your girl needs a daily. I'm trying to bat 100 this year, boys. 2021 is the year for all the cars to be running. I just get so caught up in wanting to build cool, exciting things that when something stupid like an axle and Pronto breaks, I'm on to the next one. And I also only have 1 lift. I'm kind of outgrowing the shop that I have. I know we're looking at something new, and hopefully I'll have an update on that soon. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, and thank you for tuning in. Today we open up at Westside Collector Car Storage, but before I get into what we're doing here, as you guys saw in the title, today I am buying a car. No, I'm not buying the 458 behind me. I am not buying the 600 LT. I'm buying something that I never in my life thought I would ever purchase. I'm buying a Ford, but it's a really cool Ford. Today we're here at Matt's garage because we're filming an interview with hotcars.com for the show Sorted that we did, sponsored by Auto Tempest. So got a little chair set up here. We're gonna film our interview, and we got a car to buy, and I have a lot of explaining to do. Also, it feels so good to be back and talking to you guys and vlogging. There has been so much going on the past few weeks. I don't even know where to begin, but it is all gonna unravel, and you'll start to see what has been going on behind the scenes as the weeks unfold. I am so excited to share this news with you, and it's more than one piece of news. I would love to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Raid. This is Death Night. Yes, Death Night, audience, Death Night. Okay, do me a favor, just like stand over here for a minute. Thank you. Okay, I would love to take a moment to thank, just give me 1 second, okay, and then I promise we can play Raid. I just want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. I play this game all the time, and they're a huge supporter of this channel. As always, link is in the description below. If you're new to Raid, it is a turn-based RPG game that is both free and available on mobile and PC. To put it simply, you assemble a team of champions, they are characters of your army, develop their skills and experience, and battle against other online players or challenges. Collecting and developing champions is probably one of my favorite things about the game. They have over 500 different champions to collect. No 2 champions are the same, making for unlimited options for gameplay. They are constantly rolling out new features. My favorite holiday edition is the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 seriously badass bosses to take on. Getting started is super easy. Just go to the video description, hit the link, and if you are a new player, you will get your free Void Champion Bulwark, 50 gems, an XP booster, some energy refills, and even an ancient shard as soon as you get in the game. All of the treasure will be waiting for you here. Thanks again, Raid, for sponsoring today's episode. Now, let's get back to the video. We gotta get a view from the top.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm buying a car today. I also did decide on my supercar. I'm not buying the supercar, but I'm buying
You're buying another car today?
I'm buying a Ford.
Okay, what kind of Ford? A Mach-E? Are you gonna order a Mach-E?
No.
Is it a Fiesta ST? Is it a truck? You buying an F-150?
I bought a
Oh, okay, fine. Is that for like the next like or project car?
No, just a twin turbo.
They're okay. Zach had one. They're fine. Zach did like a diff, like the correct diff, and it was not that expensive, and it made a huge difference. And there's some basic suspension stuff you can do that'll make it stick the nose better and actually slide. But if you do that stuff, they're fun as hell.
I also decided on a supercar.
Good. Those are excellent. They're very good. They don't have a lot of known problems. They're very reliable by that brand's standards. They tend to work. You can use them every day. And the newer versions of that car aren't all that much better. It's very incremental beyond that. So those are very nice.
I drove it. I fell in love with it.
They're fantastic. Just don't do anything too stupid with it. Don't make it ugly.
Well, I'm not gonna tell you my plans for it then. Now, this isn't to replace the supercar. I'm still buying my supercar and I know what I want now. I'm just trying to make sure that I find the right one at the right price at the right time. So bear with me, I am looking. This that I'm buying today, this happened last night and I'm just buying it as a project and a daily alongside until I find my supercar. So I would tell you guys what I'm buying, but I don't want to ruin the surprise. So just have patience with me. Now this is something that I would buy.
I keep saying I want something muscle. This is kind of it. I could do a GTX, is all I'm saying.
This is literally what stood out to me last time I was here.
I want a Superbird, but I could live with this.
This is sick.
I like the spec. I like the spec a lot. White, black interior, carbon.
You guys know me, I'm a sucker for my white cars, but maybe like a chocolate brown leather interior. Oh, that sounds sexy, but that'd also be hard to wrap to match something. Ask me how I know the red interior on the C8.
Carbon brakes, like this is
yeah,
like
DCT.
This is where it's at, dude.
Can we take this off a jump?
No.
Please.
Let me think. If anyone's gonna get those sweet YouTube money with it, it's gonna be me. Listen up, Brian Scotto. I'm not gonna beat the shit out of my car for your audience's benefit.
As we're pitching a show that beats the crap out of other people's shit. We can make the prediction. I'm sending my Corvette down to Palm Beach this week, and we're gonna run it and sort it.
Okay.
Like a solo sort.
I think it would be really funny, honestly, and really appropriate if your car just happened to, with no prep, smoke every car on the show. It would be more appropriate if it caught on fire and burned to the ground.
Well,
hey, leave that to me.
The problem with my car is it's not going to score in the street ability. It's 10.
Right.
It's a 10.
We're also talking to the guy who makes the points, so.
Yeah, I've driven his car. I'll give it a 3. I'll give it a 3 right now. It's cool.
It's like equivalent to the S2000. If like whatever we scored the S2000 and the BMW, I'll average that.
Yeah.
Because my car, it's got a nice slight clutch, nice shifter, and race seat. You got to climb over a roll cage.
You have to climb over a roll cage, and also
fair.
the race seat fits him and not me.
Yeah.
Does the window roll up all the way?
It does have electric windows. They work. Got a removable Targa top. It works.
I just drove a McLaren with no windshield on the roof. Somehow
that sounds eventful.
10 on street ability.
Problem is, I think it'll definitely do well, like 60 to 150 mid pack, but I'm not him. So I'm not going to be able to lap at the same time.
Is it going to make it 30 minutes?
You're talking about him, right?
Yeah.
It'll do 10 laps. Like usually with Justin Bell driving.
He doesn't think so.
10 laps. There it goes. It'll do 10 laps?
Well, it'll do 10 laps with me driving it, yes.
I am a firm believer that you can have a modified car that is also reliable. Good podcast.
You got it. Podcast, interview, podcast.
Basically.
You just give us a camera and you tell us to talk. It's going to be an hour.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, we gotta go. ETA 10 minutes. So here's the deal. Sandy came across an opportunity where he needs cash. So in order to get that, he's gonna dump some of his cars. And no, I didn't buy his Pantera, although yes, I did try. However, I did buy something else. I thought, why not buy one of Sandy's cars as a daily in the meantime? So I made him an offer he couldn't refuse. I originally had plans to surprise him with twin turbos on one of his cars, except I noticed on Instagram that he posted the car for sale. So I thought, well, I already bought the twin turbos, why not just buy the car? I think some of you already know what I'm getting at. Enough talking about it, let me just show you guys what I bought, or what I'm buying.
Now look at that butte right there.
Take a look at that unit. Look at her.
She's pretty.
She do look pretty though.
And I'm not even talking about Sandy.
Well, I would like to introduce a Ford Crown Vic to the fleet. Dude, I don't even know what year this is.
2000.
2000?
You know what sucks about this year is?
Can't buy alcohol yet?
No.
She's buying your car, don't say what sucks about it.
No, when you call the auto parts store for something or anything and you say 2000 Ford Ranger or Ford, they go, 2004? No, 2000. Ford.
Sick windshield, dude.
Yeah, it's fine. Shit'll buff out.
Well, I guess it's no secret now. I was gonna surprise you by twin turboing this car for you, except now I'm buying your car. I already bought the turbos, so I couldn't let it go to a different owner, so I figured I'll just buy the car and twin turbo it.
You need a daily for your daily?
I'm buying a daily from a daily from a daily.
Uh-huh.
It never ends.
I really want to RB swap like something American, like really bad.
Get on it.
Really bad.
Go fast and furious on this boy.
It would fit. It would definitely fit.
You said you wanted your twin turbos. RBs come with twin turbos.
They do.
Just saying, makes a lot of sense to me.
It sound really funny though. I stopped, no shit. I stopped this morning, prepaid $35 at the gas station, walked out, got in the car, and drove.
No exaggeration, this is how sudden this happened. 3 days ago, I didn't find out about this until a day ago. Sandy listed his Crown Vic. AC blows cold, cruise control, look at all that. Yeah, this kind of just happened.
Isn't it like sitting in a couch?
I feel like I'm in a living room right now. Whoa, listen to that! I officially have my own Crown Vic to bring to Les Mullets next year.
You get to supply your own car?
I'll hide a bottle of nitrous in it, they'll never know.
What nitrous last car?
I didn't get the nitrous.
Oh.
When I did the Les Mullets, when Alex was driving the first stint, the car blew up. She pulled in the center and they kept doing laps around here. I don't think they realized that the car actually blew up, so we couldn't do anything about it. And if you have 2 cars, your second car is not allowed to have nitrous on it. So I didn't get nitrous.
Got a race car.
Race car.
You'll feel at home now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say you can fit like 6 dead bodies in there. You can fit more than that.
Ask how you know.
Yeah.
Do I get to keep all this stuff? Do you want your towels?
Yeah, I'll grab that later.
And a spare tire, damn. I could put an air mattress back here.
You could sleep in it, and you even have an unlock thing.
Yeah. This is so dark, but if Sandy were driving and I was in the back screaming, help me, how long do you think it's before the cops pulled us over?
I think it would take a while.
I think so too.
Exhaust is pretty
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 loud.
exhausty.
Sir, pleasure doing business with you.
That is a stack of money.
Don't
Oh,
spend
once.
it all in one club. Really thought the first episode back was going to be first drive with the same Corvette because we have so much going on that I cannot wait to share with you. I wouldn't even know where to begin at this point. We're completely changing absolutely everything. But instead I bought this and we're gonna have some fun with
You
it.
should get the bash bar for sure.
You know what, I'm gonna paint LAPD on the side of it too.
That's illegal. You should put like LAPP or something like that.
I can't believe this is real life right now. Oh dear God, what did I do? Should I do a burnout? Let's be honest, they're gonna play Sean. They're not gonna think it's me driving this car. Man, I miss having a rear-wheel drive car that's not too smart for its own good. Meaning, I can do a burnout and it doesn't freak out. Oh my God, I might end up keeping this for a lot longer than I had planned. Got her topped up on gas. I filled up the tire with air. I think there's a nail in it because it was at 0, but we are ready to head home. So I told Alex Troy that I bought a car and he's convinced that I bought a supercar. I didn't say anything, guys. He thinks I'm showing up in a Huracan right now, so boy, is he gonna be surprised. Technically, I guess I already bought a Ford, so this is my second one. Oh man, it's been a weird year.